So today we're at Coolum Beach on the Sunshine Coast. The homeowner here is looking to try and reduce their power bills. There's a few challenges with the roof, with chimneys and a few trees around. So every panel's been optimised with DC optimisers, just to ensure that every panel will optimise as well as it can do. So some of the concerns with solar on this property is obviously the shade, with the chimneys and with a couple of trees around. And that's why we use DC optimisers to try and improve the effects of the shade, so that when one or two panels are shaded, it's not affecting the whole system. So Coolum Beach is located right on the coast, high salt environment. You really need to go for a quality system when you're installing it in these kind of environments. We've got 6.6 kilowatts of 330 watt panels, and the homeowner here is looking to try and reduce their power bill as much as possible so that their ongoing costs are lower. So a 6.6 kilowatt system in this location is expected to produce about 21 to 22 kilowatt hours per day. The homeowner here at Coolum's already got a solar hot water system to try and reduce their power bill. Now adding the solar power is the next step in that process of reducing the power bill and also helping the environment.